Are you stuck with the Visual C++ OpenMP140 debug DLL missing error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to help you fix this crash right now. To start fixing Visual C++ OpenMP140 debug manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Visual C++ OpenMP140 debug, the diagnostic version of the Open Multiprocessing OpenMP library for the VC++ 2015-2022 toolset. It provides the parallel execution framework required for multi-threaded algorithms. The D suffix indicates it contains debugging symbols and increased overhead to monitor thread synchronization issues in high-performance computing tasks. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. A standard engineering fix involves redeploying Visual C Runtime Stack. Head over to Microsoft, grab the specific x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributables, and run them to replace any damaged components. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Visual C++ OpenMP140 debug component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. A vital technical reminder: modifying Visual C++ OpenMP140 debug DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below, related to Visual C++, OpenMP140 debug, and system efficiency. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Visual C++, OpenMP140 debug, and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.